Are you struggling with your health? Are you struggling with illnesses that keep coming and going, coming and going? You have done everything that you can and you are trying to manifest good health, but nothing seems to be working for you. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to manifest good health, how to manifest the health that you absolutely love. Stay till the end of the video because you don't want to miss all the tips that I have for you. Hi, my name is Taffy. I'm a mindset coach and I'm also an entrepreneur. I help thousands throughout the whole world learn how to manifest lives that they absolutely love. If you are new to this channel, please click on the link below to subscribe to the channel so we can learn how to manifest and be empowered. If you have been following me, don't forget to click on the like button if you are learning anything. In order to manifest anything in life, we have to be in alignment. In order to manifest good health, the health that we absolutely love, healthy living, healthy body, healthy lifestyle, we have to be in alignment. We have to be in alignment with the universe. We have to be in alignment with ourselves. Our body has to be in alignment with our mind, with our thoughts, which have to be in alignment with the inner self, with the inner us, which is our spirit. So everything has to be in alignment. That's how we manifest good health. All our manifestations start from what we are paying attention to. Those things that we are paying attention to determine what we are going to manifest, because what we are paying attention to are going to trigger certain thoughts in our minds, and those certain thoughts are going to trigger certain feelings within us, and those certain feelings are going to put us in a certain vibration. And when we are in a certain vibration, certain energy, we start attracting things that are on the same level as that vibration. And that's what we manifest. That's how manifestation works. So in terms of health, in terms of what you want to manifest, the first question I'm going to ask you is, what are you paying attention to? What are the things that you are paying attention to in relation to your health? Is it the pain? Is it the discomfort? Is it the doctor's reports, the hospital reports, the scan reports? Is it the medication that's not working? What are you paying attention to? Because what you are paying attention to will trigger thoughts, certain thoughts in your mind, and those thoughts will create certain feelings, like I explained before. So if you are focusing on the things that are not working in your health, that will also determine the thoughts that you are having, which is, this is not working, that is not working. I've tried this, I've tried that, and it's not working. When you constantly have those thoughts that this is not working, that is not working, the pain is getting worse, and you focus on the manifestation of the pain that is happening, it gives you certain feelings of discomfort, feelings of anger, feelings of frustration that nothing is helping, nothing is working. Feelings of maybe shame, maybe that illness is, not allowing you to do certain things that you used to do or that you want to do, or maybe people are now looking at you in a certain way because of that illness, and you start thinking those things and you start feeling ashamed, you start feeling frustrated, you start feeling disappointed, you start feeling like you are not worth it, you start feeling that there must be something wrong with you. Nothing is wrong with you. We just need to be aware of those feelings, because when you are feeling like that and when you are thinking like that, it puts you in a certain energy, the energy of frustration, the energy of disappointment. And when you operate at that energy, you start attracting things that are in the same energy. That's why the illnesses just keep repeating, because you are focusing on the same thoughts, paying attention on the same things. The good news is now you are aware why these things keep happening. It's because you keep focusing on the things that are putting you into a negative energy. Now the good thing is you can change what you focus on. You can change what you decide to pay attention to. Instead of paying attention to the discomfort, instead of paying attention to the doctor's reports, instead of paying attention to what is not working, you have a choice to start paying attention to what you'd absolutely love your health to be. But that starts with you knowing exactly what you want your health to be. You have a clear picture, a clear image in your mind what you want your health to be. If you don't have the clear picture, it's fine, it's okay. Because what you can do instead is, what if you were healthy, if you were not ill, if you were not suffering from that illness, that ailment, what will you be doing if you were healthy? What will you be doing, and who will you be doing it with? For example, will you be taking your kids to school, walking them to school? Will you be spending more time with your family, in your work, in your business, in your career, visiting places, traveling? What will you be doing if you were healthy? If that health wasn't, holding you down, what will you be doing? Focus on that instead, and see the energy that it puts you in, and see the energy. Actually, imagine yourself healthy doing all those things. When you wake up in the morning, imagine yourself healthy doing the things you would love to do. Imagine yourself and put yourself in that vibrational frequency, in that energy where you are seeing yourself walking your kids, enjoying good food, enjoying your exercise, meditating, doing all the things that you love. Imagine yourself. And I want you to notice the difference in energy that you invoke in yourself. You invoke a certain vigor, a certain positive, a certain spark within yourself. And when you are in that energy, you start attracting things on that same energy. You start seeing things that you can do to get better. You start seeing things, places that you can go, people you can talk to, things that you can do, practices that you can do to start getting better. Because when you are on that high vibration energy where you are seeing yourself healthy, you start attracting things on that energy. That's what I challenge you to do from today. Start looking, start writing down what you would want your health to look like. Have a clear picture. Have a clear picture of what you want your health to look like. The things you will be doing when you are healthy. The things you will be doing when you have good health. The food you'll be eating, the activities you'll be doing, who will you be doing with, where would you go, what would you do? Those things, start seeing themselves. Start seeing those things in your mind. Have a clear picture. And when you have that clear picture, visualize yourself doing those things and spark that energy, elevate that energy, amplify it so that you really feel what it feels like to be healthy, to be doing those things that you absolutely love. The longer you are able to sustain those feelings, those energies, that vibration of having good health, the longer you are able to sustain it, the longer you start, actually not the longer, the quicker you start attracting those things. So that's why we advise, when you wake up, start visualizing what you want. Have it written down, start visualizing it. And also before you go to bed, and as many times during the day, depending on your schedules. Start visualizing, be in the habit of putting yourself in that vibration. You will see, you will start to attract things on that vibration. You start to attract that good health. That thing that you are seeing, you start to attract that good health. The things that you are doing when you are healthy, you start to attract those things. You start to have ideas of what you can do to be healthy. You start to get opportunities where maybe you might actually visit some different doctor, some different specialist who have an answer that works for you. That's how law of attraction works. That's how you can move from ill health. That's how you can break that cycle of ill health into the cycle of good health, into the health that you absolutely love. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please comment down below if you have learned anything, any aha, any takeaway moments. Please share with them. What are you suffering from? Please share. And what thoughts have you been, thinking? What things have you been paying attention to? And what things are you are you committing to thinking from now on, paying attention to from now on? Write your vision of what your health looks like. Comment down below what you want your health to look like. And cooperative energies, when we work together, we will manifest good health with you. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe using the link down below. And if you have learned anything, also like the video. And I'll encourage you as well to watch the video that's coming up right up after this video. And I will see you in the next video.